Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to the channel. Sorry, I'm probably more disheveled than I have been lately. Still in quarantine, obviously, but today's a Monday, so we're actually working from home. Just finished my first meeting of the day, and it's still early. It's about 9:15. It was a quick touch base at 9 o'clock. So I want to make up some breakfast for us real quick. We are going to be having some bacon and eggs and pancakes. We got these Kodiak cakes. They're like just a higher protein pancake. So it says here you can use just water. You get about 14 grams of protein. You can mix it with milk. It goes up to 18, and you can do milk and an egg for up to 21. Since we're gonna be cooking eggs with our pancakes and our breakfast, I'm just gonna do the milk recipe. So it's pretty easy, and it's an instant mix. They're a little high in carbs. They're about 30 grams, but they're pretty low in sugar. They're only about 8. So we felt these were a little bit better. So anyways, we're gonna give them a try. All right, so we got our bowl, and let's open this box. Our 1 cup here. Pretty good. Alright, and then I just kind of whisk it together. It should thicken up, and that is our batter. So I do love these instant kind of batters. Pretty easy stuff. I can smell it. It uses like an almond flour too. It's one thing I didn't mention. So it's supposed to be a little healthier for you, and I can really smell the almonds. It actually smells really good. Reminds me just like I don't know, some kind of baked good, kind of almondy smell. It's nice. So that's all finished. I'm gonna grab the rest of the ingredients. Alright, so pretty simple. Some eggs, bacon, and pancakes. And let's go get the Blackstone ready. Alright, cool. So the bacon's going. The next thing that we need to get going are the flapjacks. The eggs will be last. Now, alright, but they're coming along really well. I'm glad to see these ones that came out much better. So these are the first ones I did. For some reason, maybe I just didn't have it hot enough. And then these ones came out real nice. Here's a better look at them on the griddle. This one, I flipped just a few seconds too early, so it kind of got weird. This one's okay. This one's maybe a little under, so maybe it's a cooler spot over here. And then this one, because it's kind of right here in the very middle of the griddle, probably doing it the best, even though this is the one I put on last. And you guys can see that it's much thinner, but I'm gonna take these off here in just a second. And here's our final plated breakfast. Not too bad, looks pretty good. Probably put a little dabble of either butter or syrup on those pancakes, and they're good to go. So breakfast number 1 done, and pretty successful. Alright, so we're back and it's lunchtime. I'm gonna get this started. I got the left side up to like a medium high, and the right side I'm gonna keep on low. I'm gonna keep my butter and buns over here. Do my meats over here, which would be ground beef patty and bacon, and then cheese on top. Alright, so I got all my ingredients ready. Grabbing my bottle of oil here and water, and I will be heading outside to cook lunch. Pretty excited about this. Let's go make some burgers. Okay, so I got the griddle set up. We got it medium over here and low over here. Got my butter wheel set up there so that I can butter the buns and get them nice and toasty. I'm gonna cook a couple strips of bacon. Start out with that so that I can cook the meat into the bacon grease. I'm using this steak and burger seasoning I just bought from the store. I'm sure you guys can find something similar, but that's all I'm using. I didn't make my own seasoning this time around, but I may try that in the future. So this is a couple strips of leftover bacon from breakfast. Still waiting for the butter wheel to melt a little bit. I guess I should have put this on sooner. The bacon's about where I like it. I don't like it too crispy, so I'm actually already going to move it off the heat. It's going to stay on low, so it's technically going to cook a little bit, just a lot slower. And then in just a moment I'll start cooking the buns, and then hopefully the butter wheel's done by the time I flip it. It looks to be. It's definitely getting healthy. Spread that bacon grease around a little bit. Got my patty up. Well, I don't get a little charred, then I'm going to really press them down. So wash my hands. Give you guys a better look here. My burger's going and some of the bacon grease. Here's my bacon, nice and cooked. It's on the low side, and then my butter wheel's getting nice and melty in there, so that when I turn it, it'll coat with butter just like that, and I can butter the buns. So just wanted to show you again. I like my patties really thick, so I do keep them pretty thick. You'll notice a lot of videos if you YouTube Blackstone. People are cooking. They do what's called a smash burger, and they really squish it down. They even have burger presses or weights they put on top. And yeah, those are great, and I'm sure it's fine. It's closer to probably what you get at like Red Robin or something, but I like it thick, and I like it a little pink or red in the middle, and so I like to do it this way, just so you guys can see how I'm doing it. So you guys can see, got a nice char on it, a little bit of crunch. Looks great on this side, and then once it once I cook this side just for about a minute or two, it'll be good to go. So I'm actually going to start buttering my buns. I got a nice even coat of butter all the way across. Here we go. So I made one bacon barbecue burger, and then this one I actually took the bacon off and moved it over there. And I just got some ketchup and lettuce and tomato. It's gonna be pretty tasty. So there was my lunch, guys. Just wanted to show you quickly. Just picking it up here. You can kind of see in the middle there, a little pink. I actually would have had these a little less done, but these are great. Tastes great. Super juicy patty. And cheese on top's melty, and it's great. That's exactly what I was going for, exactly what I wanted. So I am going to enjoy these delicious burgers, or at least as much as I can. I might save some of these for tomorrow. But anyways, thanks for hanging out. Thanks for watching another video of me just cooking stuff. But that was our breakfast and lunch for today. And then in the crock pot we have some chicken wings going. It's just chicken with butter and garlic and salt and pepper. And it's pretty simple. And that's going to be dinner to start off our week this Monday. So as always, guys, thanks for joining us. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you guys next time.